Hello and welcome back to another quick update about Algorand. I thought that might be worth doing this morning because we have seen the breakout I talked about yesterday. I said it wouldn't stop and it didn't stop. So we've seen the breakout through that important level at the previous all-time high at 190. Sorry, it wasn't the previous all-time high. The previous all-time high was actually back here. So the levels are now, we now need to think about where could we go. Is that it? What we can certainly say here on the daily is that we bounced off this 217 line, in my opinion, and the 217, that was, I mean, we attempted to go through, but the 217 was back here in 2019. I think that is when these Algorand coins were offered. That is one important level here because it acted as resistance and support. I've got a few more levels here. We've got the 233, which was again a resistance level back in 2019. I've got the 240 level. That was sort of, in my opinion, that's a psychological one because as far as I know, that was the level at which these coins were offered in the public sale in 2019, 240. And then we've got the close of the candle on the first day in 2019, again at 317 or 318. So we just need to be aware of these levels. And let's just zoom out a little bit. In my opinion, that whole structure looks like, to me, like a massive cup and handle, the whole thing. So if we just speculate a little bit and we take that level and see where the target could be, let's just do that. And to be honest, that is pure speculation now, but it looks like it could play out as a cup and handle, and then that could actually take us to over 350, pretty much exactly 350. So that would be quite interesting, guys. Now, of course, nobody can guarantee that will happen. We are in uncharted territory now, so we need to be aware of that. In my opinion, that is probably not over yet because, you know, it's hard to say really, but as long as we hold above the 190 level, which was the you know, here you can see that here, that's the 190 level where we bounced off yesterday, and then it was actually tested as support again, and that's an important level, and we've broken through that. That was the 52-week high, and we've gone above that. And here on the daily now we can see we actually tested that already. However, the daily candle needs to close above it, so obviously that hasn't happened yet. We need to wait how the day is closing, but if the daily candle closes above it, I think we have more room to the upside. In my opinion, if I could, for example, if I was trading now, I would wait. Do we drop back to this 190 level and do we test it successfully? That would be a potential new entry signal. Of course, there's risk now in all-time high territory, but we can see it's not slowing down. The trend is still going up. The trend is still speeding, you know, going up, going higher and higher. It's not like the trend is slowing down. The RSI is going up, and also the MACD on the 4-hour chart. Let's see if we can see something here. But again, here, big green candles, small red candles. In my opinion, don't see that price action stopping yet. However, we bounced off this 217 level that I've just shown you, or 218. So that is a level to watch. If we can, I mean, to be honest, it's more like the 220 now. I think, as far as I remember, that was a Fibonacci extension level. So 220, zoom, move it up a little bit. So as soon as we break the 220 and retest it, that could indicate some further moves to the upside to 233 or 234, and then 240 in the next step. What we can see here, to be honest, it's all going up. The trend isn't slowing down at the moment. As long as it's not doing that, we might keep that momentum. What you need to watch out for, as soon as we slow down a little bit, but even on the hourly, it doesn't seem necessarily that we are slowing down. Had a small retracement here yesterday, which of course is fine, which I told you we would probably have, but that's actually when I bought some more here yesterday, and I think I did say it in the video yesterday evening. And yeah, I rebought. I actually did realize some profits yesterday at 180, bought some more at 160 that I'm holding now. And now that we're in all-time high territory, I think I'm gonna hold on to it, just because it could do something like Solana, something crazy. And as long as all the other cryptos are doing sort of badly, I think this is still going up. You can see the MACD is going up as well. The RSI is sort of moving sideways now, but it's not it's not going down. So as soon as it starts to go down, then we could have something like a bearish divergence. We need to watch out for that, but it's not happening yet. And at the moment, as I can't see the price action slowing down, I mean, we have that trend here to the upside. It's not slowing down at the moment. You can clearly see that. So as long as that is the case, we could just continue to move up. As I said, levels to watch out for. If we drop below 190, that could indicate a longer term retracement because we've just broken that. We've actually tested that on the 1 hour chart already here, that 190 level. We need to break the 220 to the upside. That's an important one. If we continue to bounce off that, we could just trade sideways here, but watch out for the 220. We haven't broken that yet. And then the next levels for me are the 234 and 240, but it's extremely hard in all-time, you know, uncharted territory. As I say, it's not really all-time high, but it's been a while since we've been there. In my opinion, and that's only my opinion, guys, please don't consider it financial advice, but I think we go up further. I know some of you guys have made some money with Algorand. Don't forget, you know, to potentially take some profit out. That's what I would do now. Had I bought at like $1.20 or something, which I did, but I took already some profit at 180, and then now I've rebought actually. But I think if we touch 220 again, I might take another little bit of profit just to take some of the risk out, because you don't know where it's going. But you know, we could just break through the 220. What I will do, I just take another 25% out, and then at least I participate in price increases going forward. And if the price drops, I will just hold on to the rest long term. But I'll still be in profit because I bought at a lot at 120, yeah, around the 120 area. So again, for me, it's not slowing down at the moment, and we need to watch that 190 level and the 220 level. All right, let me know what you think, where it's going. Hope you all participate in that, and I hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.